Sagolban Assembly constituency dagi Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Examination pass tawrakraba candidates sing okpagi thoramama Sagolban Bijoy Govinda da leiba MLA RK Imogi yumda pangthokre ngasi okiba maipaklaba candidates sing adudi 15 suba rank tarakraba Wangkhem Olivia 13 suba rank tarakhiba Aditya Arambam amadi 68 suba rank tarakraba Mutum Arnikani thawamaduga mari leinana MLA RK Imo na hai candidates sing asigi dedication Perseverance amasong mai pakpa si haurakliba nahasingna tamjaningai oi makoigi mai pakpa si ACSC gi nahasinggi chauthokchaningai oi bagaloinana nahasingda honaningbagi itil fahole lammasida changningba aspirant singna hanba leitaba thongnaga loinana thawai yauna honaduna mai pakpa mioi amamam oinaba honagadabani haina mahakna makha taki thoramaduda ACSC dagi baubaragi physics wala Vidyapitda coaching yaunabagi damak Sagolban Constituency Progressive Committee SCPC na sponsor toba NEET aspirant tarada mathau taba lairik bag amadi atay study materials singsu yanthoki
Labor culture sida family values not we sabi na badakatay we alaman sing the family and the parents muiga takti tambilik niya bulawsal laga Then apa kay lagani ano modern values karamba nahas ni bulda apa ay ko piyay ang vacancy mix sila kaulaga masi vacan lugna kanda ka pangkor ka ni ang satra tila iba may sina noida ay look up to kanda motivation si lower kanda when noy lambi to the sangi ko kaya so in motivate ko kung ano na bagi at yung lambi na ko na si in the end I say be a good human being. That is the most important thing. Be good to your parents, be good to your brother, your sister, your wife, your husband. Be good to your family and the people around you. And